I love a good closet, but sometimes the budget for closets and like customized closets can be insane. So I am going to share some tips and tricks with you for how to recreate a closet similar to this one from the Container Store on a budget. Hey there, I'm Jessica, the Organized Mama. I'm a family organizing expert that helps you with organizing tips, tricks, and tutorials the entire family can do. Okay, this closet is from the Container Store, and the type of closet it is Alpha Decor. So the Container Store has 4 lines of closets. They have your basic Alpha, and that is the one with like the little holes in between. It's kind of like the wire shelving. Then the next level up is Alpha Decor, and those are smooth shelves. They also have 2 other lines as well, but those get really pricey and are comparable to things like California closets. Now, while I love the look of this closet, sometimes it's not always in your budget to do so. So I have a couple of tricks to help you recreate this look in your own closet. The first trick is to go check out your local hardware store. Places like Lowe's and Home Depot actually have really good closet systems. Just sometimes you're going to have to be a little more creative than you would elsewhere. There are some online programs you can use to kind of help you set things up in your space. You just need to make sure you get the right dimensions in order to install it correctly. The Home Depot has Closets by Liberty, which have adjustable shelves, and you can customize the closet. I love this option. I think it's great if you're looking for an upgrade from just like your poles to hang clothes into something a little more customizable. You can get this wood finish there as well. Another option is to use Easy Closets. Now, Easy Closets on their site, they have a visual builder. You just need to make sure you measure your space exactly so that you can get a good idea of what you can do to customize your closet via Easy Closets. I think their program is really easy to use and help you design the space as well. Okay, and another option is IKEA. And I know, oh really, an IKEA closet? Okay, you can totally customize IKEA stuff and it's surprising. This built-in behind me, it's IKEA. You would have no idea. We just changed out the knobs and it instantly changed the look. IKEA can be kind of pricey if you go at the more high-end level, but you can totally customize their closets to fit any space as well. So when you're measuring your closet, make sure that you measure wall to wall and also that you measure the door open space. This is crucial. So I used to create customized closets, and one of the big things that a lot of people did not know is that you need to measure many different places inside your closet. So you measure wall to wall inside your closet, but you also need to measure the door opening. The reason being is if you put in any drawers whatsoever, they need to clear the doors. It's something so obvious, but not everybody thinks about. So that's why a lot of times when you see some of these closets, you just have one row of drawers right in the middle. It's because there wasn't enough clearance over to the side so that you can get drawers to open and close with the doors. Then you also need to know the depth. How far in is your closet? This is really crucial because a lot of times the shelves come in 2 different sizes. There is the shorter and the longer size that typically comes with most closets. The reason being is some of those top shelves, in order to actually utilize the space above the door opening, you need more narrow shelves. And then on lower shelves, you actually can have more depth. So you need to measure the door space plus the inside space as well. And then when you have all of those numbers, you can go online. IKEA has closet builders, Easy Closets, and Home Depot or Lowe's both have closet builder programs as well. And of course, there's always the Container Store. They are happy to help customize gorgeous closets for you. Plus, their Alpha Decor is just beautiful. So all the products and recommendations I have are listed below. You can also read more where it says read here. Love what you see? Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every Wednesday.